Hi everybody, Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. Bringing another home listing tour. The property I'm at today is 2402 Ellingwood Drive. This property is located in the Spring Creek traditional neighborhood. So you've got really easy access to Fort Carson, easy access down Circle to I-25, near all kinds of bus lines, easy access to all of the major kind of arteries throughout the south end of town. This neighborhood is a newer area. This home was built in 2012. It's nearly 2,800 square feet with about 1,900 of it finished. So you've got a lot of space and an unfinished basement to grow as well. You've got beautiful floor plans, really nice kind of modern styles, very little landscaping to do in the back, very little maintenance. You've got a great corner lot and you've got an awesome 2-car attached garage in the back. Okay, again, the main levels in the finished areas are a little over 1,800 square feet, so you've got plenty of room to grow, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and this property is coming on the market at $285,000. Let's go in and take a closer look. Now again, this home was built in 2012 and it's got fantastic modern finishes throughout with really good contemporary colors and a really nice open feel. When you first enter, you notice a fantastic formal living room to the left. This is a great area that works well as a study, as a playroom, or again as a formal living room, piano room kind of thing. You've got arched entryways that lead you into this area here that I'm in right now, which is the heart of the home. You've got the formal dining room, you've got the kitchen, and you've got the family room. Okay, the formal dining room has a great brushed nickel light fixture. It's also got a 3-sided fireplace. This is a gas fireplace with tile surround that leads you into the family room that works fantastic as a TV room and all of that. The kitchen is wide open. You've got espresso cabinets. You've got a great center island. You've got brushed nickel finishes. You've got stainless steel appliances. You've got beautiful crown molding on top of the cabinets and a really nice wide open kitchen and really lends to a big wide open floor plan for sure. It's a really nice layout. The kitchen also has a nice sized pantry and it's open to a main level washer and dryer closet as well. There's a half bath on the main level also, and there is access here to the large 2-car garage. Upstairs you've got 3 large bedrooms, including a spacious master suite. The master suite has a large attached 5-piece bath, so you've got really nice double vanity sinks, a deep garden tub, and a separate shower as well. You've got Santa Fe doors throughout the property, and the other 2 bedrooms are spacious with good closet space and great views that let in a ton of natural light. The basement is unfinished as well, so you've got another 900 square feet of unfinished space for future growth. This could easily be a 4th bedroom, 4th bathroom, and an additional family room downstairs as well. So again, this is 2402 Ellingwood Drive. This property is coming on the market at $285,000. This is a beautiful property, really well maintained, 1 owner, and has really been loved after. Not only do you get a great property, but it does come with the peace of mind that comes with that 14-month home warranty that I provide with all of my listings as well. For more information on this home, please check out my website, www.makespringshome.com, or for more information on this property, for a private tour, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much.